Year 5, welcome to your first reading skills lesson this week. In your English, you're learning how to write instructions, and in our reading skills lessons this week, we're also looking at sets of instructions, specifically recipes the Mayans used. So our first text we're going to look at is all about the Maya hot chocolate that I know some of you have tried making. This is another recipe for the traditional ancient Maya hot chocolate. The Mayan cookbook. The ancient Mayan people enjoyed eating a range of delicious foods. This recipe book contains 4 key recipes from a traditional Mayan family cookbook. So we're going to be looking at one recipe each day. Maya hot chocolate. Chocolate lovers will enjoy the bittersweet chocolate flavour of this traditional hot chocolate. This drink will revitalise your senses and energise your mind. Wow, they're very persuasive sentences, aren't they? Ingredients: 200 millilitres of hot water, 2 cinnamon sticks, 200 grams. This word, the X is pronounced as sh in English. So we're going to chocolate, which is chocolate paste. It does sound a little bit like chocolate. Chocolate. 2 tablespoons of wild honey, 1 dried chili, 1 vanilla pod, 1 tablespoon of ground peanut. So slightly different to the recipe that we posted on our Teams. Method: place a large saucepan over a medium heat and add the cinnamon sticks. Place, that's an imperative verb. We looked at that in English yesterday. Boil, another imperative verb. Boil the water until it is reduced by 1/3. 3. Remove the cinnamon sticks, add the vanilla pod and reduce the heat. Nice list of 3 there, starting with an imperative verb and commas between the items, the instructions. Pour the chocolate and wild honey and mix well. Whisk occasionally until the mixture is fully combined. Oh, also links with our science, doesn't it? Mixture. The mixture is fully combined. Remove the vanilla pod. Whisk vigorously, nice adverb there to tell you how to whisk, to create a foam, then sprinkle in the dried chili. Sprinkle the ground peanuts over the top to serve. So that's our text today. It's not too long, is it? You can find that text available on Teams in the Files tab, along with today's questions. So today's questions: what is the purpose of the first paragraph? So go back and have a read. It was a couple of sentences long. What's the purpose of that paragraph? Number 2, use a dictionary to find out the meaning of the word revitalise. You can use the internet to find that as well if you want to. Number 3, which words and phrases encourage the reader to make the Mayan hot chocolate? So which bit's really persuasive? It's just asking for words and phrases. It's not asking for whole sentences or clauses. So just remember words or phrases that encourage you, the reader, to make the Maya hot chocolate. Number 4, what is the purpose of the picture shown alongside the recipe? Number 5, what is chocolate? Number 6, why does the writer include brackets after the ingredient chocolate? Okay, so they're your 6 questions today. So you can pause the screen or you can go to Teams and see the questions and the text in the Files tab. Okay, I'll go through the answers. So what was the purpose of the first paragraph? To introduce the text and to explain its purpose. Number 2, the word revitalise means to give something new life and energy. Number 3, which words and phrases encourage the reader to make the Maya hot chocolate? Bittersweet flavour, enjoy, revitalise your senses, energise your mind. Well done if you got any of those. What's the purpose of the pictures shown alongside the recipe? It's to show the reader what the ingredients, the product looks like, and to entice the reader to make the recipe. It's all about convincing the reader to make the recipe. What is chocolate? It's chocolate paste. And why does the writer include brackets after the ingredient chocolate? Most people would not know what Schokoldt is, so writing chocolate paste after it helps the reader to understand. Just clarifies the answer, doesn't it? Clarifies what it is. Well done if you got those right. Tomorrow we'll look at another Mayan recipe. Have a great day, Year 5. Bye.